Wena uzophalaza kuze kuphume ibindi. Kuyafundela ukube manager. Awukulanda enyangeni yakho lokho.
Everyone looks happy, Momzansi. Welcome, everyone. This is Davis Mohomo, aka Tlaran Klope. Hope you'll enjoy this one. Please like, comment, and share. And in the description there, you'll find details to support the channel. Azish.
O tlogele mmereko o tsamaye go go marketa ba go hire re na le beke o bereka go tempa strike ga ba bona mmereko go tere thoma ga bona ba bamsa ba ra ba kuba ke bona ba tlile tlhakatlhakana go
Jangwana wa ngwana lo mokana a man a khatlisi wetsi ngwana a tshwana ba mokana o ka ro ja trade o tle mo fight so o ka le mo fepa ka mo fight a mana se ro pesa man o ka re chicken ya injection ai
Matalane kuvuka kuseni amapijama e2 piece nesiphula hayi matalane nesiphula ushayina amakawu sicabanga matalane uyena bathi dalanga cabanga matala hayi matala
wena di exes za hao di wrong tsotle wena o right go ya ka wena
yabona etshele beshube ngendlela yokuthi akekho mama angisabeli mama ngithi akekho nami
Dishopo le tsona di na le drama. O nyaka mpotse re fole ka ntsha nama ko bekeng like go nyaka bona gore tsatsi le ke tlang ke tlo reka nama ke kanang e tlo le kanang ko bekeng tshwantse ba nyo limpiletse ma security le mpakela mashata le matlho a batho.
You don't mess le ngwana badimo. That time I wanna lead the client, lo ba lead the client. Le re thosetsa mahala. Wait.
Just made noodles ne as a young foundation before I eat my kota because I took 3 bites out of this kota ne and I was like no, I'm not going to be full. Let me start with something else.
Ntato mo tsena go jarate o kra mosadi a pia na makho. A rena mo e tsere kae. A mosadi ra wa ke file ke magugula go khoneng. Ntato la re wena nya go re fetsa wena o ka krana makoma gugula wa yapia what if we tshetse poison mosala ra yo sa wara ke na le plan ba fetswa pia mola ba tshalla bobi no ba tshalla bobi awa bobi ya ja e bobi fetso ja ya tswa mtja yo dlala ko strate mosala ro wa bona awa go ba monate ba te jela nama ha fetso ja mola go tla ngwana ka mola o tlhala Are hape bobi swile ngolo la fetsa wa tswa wa shiana yo ntato la bana o tshwere ke stress bila re mosadi ka before ke tlhokofala re go botse nnete nna le mme ka mo next door ne re tsa dilo ne ke na le robala le yena
no mara mosadi
mme o la wa kota mara wa bona re wa tshwana mo sera tlhokofala a ra ya itshwenye monna ka ke a o tshwarela a re ka re go tshwaretse le wena o ntshwarele bana ba se bana ba gago mono lena tshwara ke stress marane o tlisa ra yo a tshwana a tlhokofala mo se sekgale
bathong ba moting
hentse ba ntse mola ba lla ba le ithu o tswalla ntata go next door bana lense ka montlong motho a thutsing mtja ka koloi ko strateng kwa re motshwere.
Folks, if you guys are gonna wear fakes, at least make it manageable, but don't get greedy. Like wear a fake dunk here and there, even squeeze in a young Jordan 4, a fake Jordan 4 even. But Gucci, come on dog, bro. How am I supposed to believe you? We earn the same salary. We work at the same call center, dog. You wearing an LV belt, but we stay in a shared apartment. We splitting the rent 3535. Like how, bro? You've been to Waterfront twice in your life, my dog, but you're wearing LV. Please, man, let's manage our fake sneakers.
There is no work week that will defeat you, that will make you work for your salary like a 4-day work week. You see, a 4-day work week, that is where they test to see if you can really work well under pressure. That one day that you got off because of leave or a public holiday, you are going to work it back sometime during those 4 days. You are going to find out that it's called a 4-day work week for a reason, because that week is just going to be about work.
Talking stage in Boralaore, you are opening up to a stranger. The next thing, next week, also Udwana. Since I do, now you are having one testicle. Yes.
Lendoda efuna imali yabantwana yegrant yakhethwa uwe sisi. Hayi, niyahlanya kanti semhlabeni la.
Ishe ngaphapha ngantshela ukuthi novakashisa abantwana emakubo since igolo sezovalwa. Bese ngikhohliwe tu indaba yama passports. Mara
oh itopi
ene ka iputso wa ba sa no ira baebele la Satan lena go utlwa story sa hae o kra no so tlhoetse ngwana batho mahala ene ka iputsa wa ilo tsa Satan tse tsotlhe tse re di etsang go le monate so maybe like Lentex before marriage Jesus in re ka e cancel ha go balance story the rest I get to
aba ba leo Floyd shine chairs ngona yami ye5D uyangithola le yasho manje yakeni chunani dayideng system ka mangabheka grand ngona yami ayifuna ukuresign na uzibuzi washo manje isha lezi kaZulu uyangithola ene lo Zuma ntwana yami beshaya lezi ntwana yami zokuthi yona resign da ku ANC yaqala iMK uyangithola mangabheka grand dayideng system ka uyangithola ene fede manje isha ama press conference
system edlala ngathi man
selesimangelo ukuthi enhleke layout le yenzani ifuna spice skele uyangithola nodi la sithi azobuza thini uyangithola le yaka siyayikena for besikela ntwana besikeleza sonke naleya enhle kona sana uringana enhle kule ntwana le yasipita sifunda ne wena sana ukelezanga nogeleza yaphapha le ntwana le maka fele sibuda mina ngilayitisa wena uyangithola fele ngibeka wena ntwana yami beka ngibeke stars nawe ntwana yami ungabhayisikele kanti ihambani poison ngibeke stars indaba zokuthi ukene ukuthi ipolitiki ntwana yami yithi uyangithola grand chap dayide ngumqondo leyo Floyd yakeni chunani maka fele ma chance mina ngilayitisa nini uyangithola ingabe ngathi fede ngifaka into zami kini kuzophuma kini ukuthi niyalayita or kanjani fede ngabe ngathi ngifaka into zami kini ngiyangithola sibuda ntwana yami
stone ngamanga
ene tequila yona tshwantse rekisiwe ko filling station ko bo BP ko bo Shell kwa a ke tlhaloganya re batho ba no yang nthwele that thing must be so motho ka pompo ya illuminating paraffin 3 rand tshwantse go nna le pompo ya tequila o tla ka sigupunyana ba o tshelle yona tequila ha o mole you drink that thing wa enwane and wa utlwa di features tsa gago dia gogega everything just gets from your toenails to potteries to mangwelo everything ya gogega kore e tshaba jo to khetsana ya taputsana kore everything ya goge and then you have to take Cyril Moon gore di features tsa gago di boele manong back to default settings. I mean Cyril Moon yona itself when you eat it e gogoga ya but in this case you have to eat Cyril Moon gore e counter effect di sono se tequila se am gore during batho ba ko Mexico ne ba sa utlwe gore ntwe ha ya fella this product that we are putting on the ha ya fella because why reka as a standalone then you have to buy the Cyril Moon ko thoko because jo uko ake itse man during process nkebe ba tshetse di Cyril Moon hona ka mogare mara o kilo anwa Fanta orange e bo tlhoka go nwa o khotla spoon sa sukiri gore o no a nko ja ice cream o bo tlhoka something gore o wa bona yogurt nyana product e felletse this wa bona you eat go monate tequila wa eat August did Cyril Moon na ya the whole day on na la how wabatho you have to for any product that you have to take something else to counter its effect ga ya felela ke a gana man
wrong o kweje Hey, I wonder E12 yakabani leya.
Ngiyakutshela ilama easy Sunday ngisashaya ijike kasi.
Magrot man. Ayinani, ngiyanibulisa niyathula.
Bashaye
Botsotsi.
Ngiyakutshela le itsotsi zingilande ngishaya itenwane enye into ongabheki nasemuva.
Bandlule fast.
Ngiyakutshela istamina siphelile ngithi ngena la kunyuvesi ngizozifihla vela ngitshele enye into.
Cela ukuzifihla la kwakho. Khona lesilimo esingigijimisa. Akucela.
Hayi ndoda, hayi kukumaye ngiyaphuma khona la kumele ngiye khona umqe ungibiziwe.
La ngingena ngenkani. Ngiyazifihla.
Yasusa indaba ugweje.
Ufuna ukushaya mina? Qopho.
Ngidose nge1 sale seyiguduza isagile ekamereni.
Sinda ngoba isagila si.
Vula nawe. Mvulele.
Right, mabemkhwela. Vula la.
Nyuvesi. Abesuthu me. Kakoto. Final destination. Wow, shake it. Thanks for making it this far, guys. Hope you enjoyed. See you on the next upload. Azish, take care.